Hello, leaders of Scientology. We are anonymous. You have called us terrorists. Called us bigots. This is acceptable to Anonymous. We anticipated it. Your lies have not stood up under public scrutiny, for we are peaceful and have the truth on our side. Your lies cannot spread faster or farther than the truth. We draw the world's attention to the history of your cult. The history you have tried to hide. We will expose the dark underbelly of your so-called church. And soon we will replace the most prominent public faces of your organization with the names and faces of the most prominent victims of your barbaric ignorance and cruelty. We will not stop there. Your status as a registered charity, your tax exemptions will be revoked. Investigations into your criminal activities will freeze your assets. Your crimes against humanity, your treasonous acts, your violations of the public trust will be brought to light. You, the leaders, officers, and staff members of the Church of Scientology and RTC will face justice. You will find no safe harbor. Decades of insular cult behavior have left you with no allies in the public sphere. You are alone. You are vulnerable. We are many. Your corrupt corporation will not survive our mobilization. February 10th was just the beginning. On March 15th you will see how Anonymous has grown. Over the years, you have made many enemies, and now we are united against you. We are Anonymous. We do not forgive. We do not forget. And we will not relent. Beware, the Ides of March.